We will now create our news section, which has a responsive grid with 4 cards. In each card we see a header, a meta tag with the date, a description, and a link formatted as a primary basic button. We can see that this grid is responsive on mobile devices. All of them stack on top of each other. Then for tablet sizes, it turns into a 2-column grid, and for computer sizes it turns into a 4-column grid. So let's go ahead and build this. So right after our last column here, we create a new column using a div tag with the classes 16 wide tablet to make, or 16 wide mobile to make them span all of the available width initially on mobile, then the classes 8 wide tablet to change this to half of the width for tablet, and then the classes 4 wide computer to change this to a quarter of the width for computer sizes and up, and then the class column. So all in all, 16 wide mobile, 8 wide tablet, 4 wide computer column. Inside of this we now create our first card. So we add a div tag with the class UI, fluid, and card. Using the fluid class will make this card take up all of the available width. Then we'll create the content for the card by adding a div tag with the class content. Inside of this we'll first add our header using an h2 heading element with the class header, and the text news item. Then we'll add a time element with the class meta and the date time attribute with the value 2018-01-31, and the text published 31-01-2018. So this time element is just for semantic reasons, so the date can be read by a computer. Then we'll add a paragraph with the class description, and inside of this paragraph we'll paste in some text here and close the paragraph again. After this we'll add our link formatted as a primary basic button. So we add the classes UI bottom attached primary basic button and give it the text read more and close the A tag again. The bottom attached classes will make this button appear attached to the bottom of the card. We'll now copy all of this code here for the column and the code inside and paste it in 3 times more. Then we'll save this, go back and select the right tab and refresh. We can now see that we have our news section here. Initially they stack on top of each other. For tablet size they turn into a 2-column grid, and for computer size they turn into a 4-column grid. So this was the news section.